Now that you've learned how to access the content collection, build folders inside of it, upload files, and create content, let's take a look how to share content within the content collection, and then we'll dip into a course to begin building our course content. To share content in your content collection, all you have to do is use the drop-down arrow found to the right of the content's name to pull up the context menu. From here, you'll want to go to Permissions. Once you're in the Manage Permissions screen, you'll be able to select a specific user or permit anyone to use your content. If the content is just going to be available to anyone, feel free to check the Permit Anyone button. Therefore, anyone searching for this bit of content can find it. If you'd like to be a little more selective of who you share your content with, select specific users and then enter the user's BearPass login to share it with them. You can use the Browse function if you don't know the user's exact BearPass login number. Once you've entered the user's BearPass login, you'll want to set their permissions for the item. If they only need to be able to read the item from your content collection, leave it as is. But if you'd like them to be able to write over the content, remove the content, or manage who can view it, check the appropriate box. When that's set the way you like it, click Submit and your content is then shared. Now that we've shared some content through the content collection, it would be a good time to take a look at what you need to do when someone shares content with you. The first step is to click on the Advanced Search on the left side of the screen. Then enter your user's BearPass login name under Username. Click Submit and you'll see the content that's been shared with you. From here, you're able to copy this to your content collection by checking it and then clicking Copy. You're able to browse to the area of your content collection you would like the content to be. Click Submit, and now a copy of the content that's been shared with you can be found in your content collection. Lastly, to see where your content has been distributed and who has access to it, the 360 View feature will allow you to get that information. Using the drop-down menu to the right of the content's name, select 360 View, which will open a new tab and give you information about the properties of the file. You can also review any changes that have been made to it, versions of the file, Learning Objects catalog entries, a full list of permissions, passes, links, and any tracking data. You can just close that tab whenever you're ready. About now, you might be wondering exactly how we're going to get all this content into our course. Never fear, we'll get there soon. Now that we've went over all the fundamentals of the content collection, let's jump into a course and get familiar with the course menu. The course menu is the area on the left side of your course above the control panel and up to the plus sign. This is the main means of navigating through your course. You can view it and so can your students. There are exceptions to this though. If a link on your course menu has an icon like this, it means that the link isn't visible to students. If you've got an empty content area, you'll see this icon. If either of these icons show up, it means the link isn't visible to your students in your course. Sometimes this is what you're going for, as you might want to work in a content area before you turn students loose in it. If the link is hidden and you're ready to make it available, use the drop-down menu to the right of the link's name and click Show Link. You're able to create two organizational tools for your course menu, a subheader or a divider. Both are non-clickable by you or the student. To add either of these to your course menu, hover your mouse over the plus button in the top left corner and then select either option. A divider will simply appear on the bottom of your course menu and you can drag it into place. A subheader will require you to input the text of what it's supposed to say. It will also appear on the bottom of the list. We recommend placing subheaders below dividers for maximum effect. These tools can transform a messy course menu into a beautifully organized one, but use them at your discretion. Let's talk about the links that you can add to your course menu. This is done by using the plus button in the top left corner of the course menu. The most commonly used are the content area and tool link, so I'd like to focus a little more on those in the next video. Remember, when you need to enter any link that you put on the course menu, just click on its name. Another type of course menu item is the blank page. The blank page gives you an area to insert text or HTML code along with a file attachment. This is just like creating an item, which we did in the content collection. To create a blank page, use the plus button to select Blank Page. give it a name, make it available if you so choose, and click Submit. You'll be entered directly into the blank page, and from here you can add text or edit the HTML or CSS. Click Submit when you're done creating the blank page, and it will be saved to your course menu. A web link allows you to post a convenient link to an external website directly on your course menu. This is not the function to use if you're linking your Blackboard course to a publisher's content, but if you've got another online resource to link, it can be useful. You'll need to enter a name for the link and the full link address, including http:// if there is one. We recommend copying the entire link from your browser window using this function, like so. I'll open a new tab, go to google.com, then I'll copy the entire address with Ctrl+C, and then into Blackboard using Ctrl+V to paste. Under name, I'll put Google. I'll make this link available and click Submit, and now your link is ready to go. Finally, a course link allows you to link to a specific part of your course. For example, if you've got a folder tucked into a content area that you want students to have fast access to on the course menu, this is the link to add. Clicking Browse on the Course Link menu will bring up a tree view of your course. From here, select the part of your course that you'd like to direct students to. Name it appropriately, make it available if you so choose, and click Submit. The course link will show up at the bottom of your course menu. Remember, any link you create will show up at the bottom of your course menu. Mouse to the left of the link's name, then click and drag the link to the position you'd like to see in your course. That's it for the second part of the Building Course Content video course. See you soon in video 3.